Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's steeped in both tradition and controversy. But did you know that certain teas can pose significant health risks? We've got your back. Let's be real, drinking the wrong tea can do more harm than good, leaving us feeling worse than before. But it doesn't have to be that way. Get ready as we uncover 5 dangerous teas you should never drink to protect your health. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tip. 1. Comfrey tea. Comfrey tea is made from the leaves and roots of the comfrey plant, which has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to help heal wounds, bruises, and broken bones. While it sounds beneficial, there's a serious downside to drinking comfrey tea that everyone should be aware of. Firstly, the main concern with comfrey tea comes from its content of toxic substances called pyrrolizidine alkaloids, PAs. These chemicals can be very harmful to the liver, potentially leading to severe liver damage or liver failure. The risk is so significant that several health organizations across the world have warned against the consumption of comfrey. In some places, selling comfrey tea is even illegal due to these health risks. Studies have shown that the PAs in comfrey can also cause other problems like lung issues and cancer in severe cases. Even though you might find comfrey available for use in creams or ointments applied to the skin, ingesting it as a tea introduces these toxins directly into your body where they can cause the most harm. Given these dangers, it's crucial to be cautious and avoid comfrey tea altogether. The potential health benefits are far outweighed by the serious risks to your liver and overall health. If you're looking for herbal teas that can help with healing or pain relief, there are much safer alternatives. For example, turmeric tea is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and ginger tea can help alleviate pain and stomach issues. Both are safe when used appropriately and can be effective for managing various health concerns without the risks associated with comfrey. 2. Lobelia Tea. Lobelia tea is brewed from the Lobelia plant, often recognized for its use in treatments aimed at improving respiratory health. It's also sometimes suggested as a remedy for asthma and bronchitis. However, despite these potential benefits, drinking Lobelia tea can be quite risky. One of the main concerns with Lobelia tea is its content of lobeline, a substance that can be toxic if consumed in large amounts. Lobeline can cause severe side effects, including nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and a very low heartbeat. In extreme cases, it might even lead to more serious issues, such as convulsions or coma. Because of these dangers, health experts generally advise against the use of Lobelia, especially in tea form where dosing can be inaccurate. The risks associated with its consumption far outweigh any potential respiratory benefits it might offer. For those seeking relief from respiratory ailments, there are much safer alternatives to Lobelia tea. Teas like peppermint or eucalyptus are known to help soothe the throat and open up the airways without the dangerous side effects of Lobelia. Both of these teas offer a refreshing taste and are widely used for their therapeutic benefits in treating colds and respiratory discomfort. Additionally, engaging in steam inhalation with essential oils like eucalyptus or rosemary can also provide relief from respiratory symptoms in a safe and natural way. This method involves inhaling steam infused with essential oils, which can help to clear congestion and make breathing easier. 3. Germander Tea. Germander tea is made from the leaves of the germander plant, which has been used in traditional medicine for various purposes, including weight loss and fever reduction. However, despite its historical uses, modern research has shown that drinking germander tea can be quite dangerous for your health. The biggest issue with germander tea is its potential to cause serious liver damage. This is because the plant contains harmful chemicals that can lead to liver toxicity. Several cases have been reported where individuals suffered from liver problems after consuming germander, leading to severe health complications, including the need for liver transplants in some extreme cases. Because of these risks, health authorities in many countries have warned against the use of germander, especially in tea form. The risk of damaging your liver is too high compared to any potential benefits that germander might offer. If you're looking for herbal teas that can help with weight loss or reducing fever without risking your health, there are much safer options available. Green tea, for instance, is known for its metabolism-boosting properties and has been widely studied for its health benefits, including weight loss. Peppermint tea is another safe option that can help reduce fever and soothe an upset stomach. Additionally, engaging in steam inhalation with essential oils like eucalyptus or rosemary can also provide relief from respiratory symptoms in a safe and natural way. This method involves inhaling steam infused with essential oils, which can help to clear congestion and make breathing easier. 4. Pennyroyal Tea. Pennyroyal tea is brewed from the leaves of the pennyroyal plant, which is often touted for its minty flavor and historical use in herbal medicine, particularly as a digestive aid and for promoting menstrual flow. However, the safety concerns surrounding pennyroyal tea are significant and should not be overlooked. The primary danger of drinking pennyroyal tea lies in its highly toxic compound called pelargone. This substance can cause severe liver and lung damage. Even small amounts of pennyroyal tea can lead to poisoning symptoms such as nausea, abdominal pain, and dizziness. In more severe cases, it has been known to cause organ failure and even death, particularly if consumed in large quantities or used as an abortive. Because of these extreme risks, health experts strongly advise against the use of pennyroyal in any form, especially for making tea. The potential health risks are far too great compared to any benefits it might have. In fact, there have been numerous health warnings and reports of fatalities linked to pennyroyal use, leading to its reputation as one of the most dangerous herbs to ingest. For those looking for natural ways to aid digestion or manage menstrual symptoms, there are many safer alternatives to pennyroyal. Ginger tea, for example, is excellent for soothing the stomach and improving digestion without harmful side effects. Chamomile tea is another safe and effective option that can help alleviate menstrual cramps and promote relaxation. 5. Sassafras tea. Sassafras tea is made from the root bark of the sassafras tree, which has been used traditionally to flavor foods and beverages, including the original root beer. While it may have a unique and appealing taste, sassafras tea can be harmful to your health. The main concern with sassafras is that it contains safrole, a chemical that has been found to cause cancer in laboratory animals. Due to these findings, the FDA has banned the use of safrole as a food additive, and sassafras products that contain safrole are not allowed for consumption. Drinking sassafras tea, especially regularly or in large quantities, could potentially lead to liver cancer. Despite its historical uses, the risks associated with sassafras tea are significant. Consuming it is simply not worth the potential harm it could do to your body. Health authorities recommend avoiding sassafras tea to protect yourself from its carcinogenic effects. If you are looking for herbal teas that can provide health benefits without dangerous side effects, there are many other options available. For example, cinnamon tea can offer a similar spicy flavor profile but is safe and has health benefits like blood sugar regulation and anti-inflammatory properties. Another alternative is wintergreen tea, which also provides a pleasant flavor and is safe for consumption. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information about these dangerous teas eye-opening. Don't forget to avoid them, and let us know in the comments below if you have any experiences or additional tips to share. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.